Long ago, a farmer had a carabao and a cow. The carabao was bigger, but the cow worked just as hard. One day, the farmer said, "I can get more from my farm if my carabao works all day and my cow works all night." This went on for a month, till finally the carabao cried, "It is just too hot to work all day. Want to go for a swim?" asked the cow. "It will cool you off." The carabao happily agreed. They went off without the farmer's consent.